Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am packing for a trip. Here's my luggage on my bed. But I got this here. Look at this. This is some sort of luggage straps. So we're going to give this thing a try on my luggage and see what it does and see how it looks and what it is and whatever. So this is what it comes with here. It comes with two of these really big thick straps with a lock on it. So that's going to give us the ability to strap up our luggage. So once we get it packed and everything, we can go ahead and strap up our luggage and clip it closed. Oops, I twisted it up, I guess. There we go. So we go ahead and clip it and then change the lock combination, and then we have our secure luggage. And right now it's not. I should probably do it through the handlebar or whatever. And so I can go once this way if I want to, and then I can go once the other way if I really want to make it ridiculously secure. Oh, this one here doesn't have a lock. Just one of them does. So, but that's going to give us the ability to keep it secure. And then this one here will just kind of keep it closed. So if we end up with a luggage, sometimes, you know, you get those ones that are just way overpacked and issues and things like that. So you can just kind of clip it up. So it'll kind of keep it together. If it's, keep it from popping. This luggage is pretty good, so don't have to worry about that. But you can also put your address and all that stuff on there. So kind of nice little strap set. I like it. Thumbs up.